You asked, how to divide 9291 by 3 using the long division method. 9 divided by 3 equals 3. 3 times 3 equals 9. 9 minus 9 equals 0. Bring down 2, making 2. 2 divided by 3 equals 0. 0 times 3 equals 0. 2 minus 0 equals 2. Bring down 9, making 29. 29 divided by 3 equals 9. 9 times 3 equals 27. 29 minus 27 equals 2. Bring down 1, making 21. 21 divided by 3 equals 7. 7 times 3 equals 21. 21 minus 21 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 3097.